Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have some more Christmas friend mail. Yay! Guys, I was trying to do all of the Christmas friend mail in one video, but after I did that video, a few days later, it was like my normal day to go to my post office box. I went there and I had some more stuff to my surprise and delight. And then when I got home, I got another card. So without further ado, let's see what kind of goodies I got this time. Okay, guys, so just like before, I'm going to go ahead and start with the cards, and then we're going to open up the package that I got. Oh, so excited. I was so shocked and surprised to find out that I had another package waiting for me at my P.O. box, so I'm really excited about that. But let's go ahead and start it with the cards. The first card is from Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. Guys, I was so super shocked that they included me in their little Christmas friend list. I was so super excited about it. And here's the card they sent to me. We both have P.O. boxes, so they have a cute little Santa sticker on the front here. And then on the back, they decorated it up with some more awesome Christmas stickers. So super cute and fun. And let's get to the meat and potatoes of it, shall we? So I'm going to open this up here. Oh, this is cute. Oh, it says, "Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays." Yeah, I don't have a career in singing. Clearly not. But this is so cute. So it's in the shape of their state, I'm guessing. That is super fun and adorable. I love that idea. Wish I would have thought of it. Maybe I'd have $1 million worth of cards right now. Maybe not. Okay, guys. They also have a brightening facial mask in here. Refreshing aroma of candy cane sundae. Oh my gosh, that sounds awesome. Here it is, guys. Yay! So I have some super fun Christmas masks to try. I'm super excited about that. We'll set that aside and let's read the card, shall we? So it says, "Amber, wishing you and your family the happiest of holiday seasons. Over the past year, we have made some amazing friends on YouTube. We are very blessed to consider you one of them." Oh, thanks, guys. And then it says, "Thank you so very much for watching and supporting our channel. We hope you enjoy our small token of thanks, Sherry and Erica of Wicked Awesome Lifestyles." And then at the bottom, it says, "Have a wicked awesome Christmas and a very happy New Year. XOXO, Sherry and Erica." Oh, thank you, ladies. That is so fun. Guys, their channel is so super fun. If you guys haven't been over to their channel, I am newer to their channel and I've watched a few videos and they are just so incredibly likable and fun. If you guys have not checked out their channel, please make sure that you check them out right after watching this video. They are 100% worth it. They have all kinds of super fun stuff going on their channel. All right, so that's my first card, and my second card is from my sweet friend Linda. She has a channel called Mature Sass, and guys, anybody who doesn't know who Linda is definitely needs to go over and check out her channel. The girl's got some style. I mean, she's got some serious style. You guys got to go check her out. She comes up with some of the most beautiful outfits and ideas for ways to style things, so her channel is definitely one that you need to be subscribed to if you're not already. Okay, so here is Linda's card. On the back, she's got friend mail. Yay! So super fun, guys. I love it, love it, love it. I'm going to go ahead and pop this. Oh, how pretty. So Linda's in Florida, guys. This is a cool idea. So it's got a Christmas tree made out of like starfish and seashells. How fun is that? And the background is like a sand. Oh my gosh, that's like the perfect Florida card. I'm so jealous, Linda. I wish I was in the sand, in the water. That would be so fun. Okay, anyways, it says Merry Christmas. And then when I pop this open, ooh! Another fun mask. So this one is a reviving and super hydrating peppermint and hyaluronic for all skin types. Look at the cute little penguin on the front of this. Oh my gosh, I can't. That is so super fun, guys. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, let's read what her card says. And it says, "Amber and Noah, may the joy of the Christmas season be with you and through the year." I read it wrong. I'm leaving this in because this is so funny. I mean, I totally read it wrong. Let's try it again. Amber and Noah. May the joy of the Christmas season be with you all through the year. That's what it says. I can read. And now my son just knocked on the door. Okay, it says, have a wonderful Christmas and a blessed and happy New Year. Love and prayers, Linda. Well, thank you, Linda. It is a beautiful card. And I can read, guys, I promise. I just don't know what happened there. But seriously, I can read. All right, I'm going to pause for a second before I open my box from Jean, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to go ahead and check and see if my son needs anything, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but as I always say, I am a mom first and foremost, and I had to go see if he needed anything, and I had to go change his stinky diaper. Awesome. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump back into this. So the next thing that I'm going to open is a box that I got from Jean. Her channel is called Jean's Junk. Guys, Jean is so super sweet. I just love Jean. I actually found out about her channel through a collab that I was in, and then ever since then, I've just been watching her. She's been watching me, and we've just become friends, and I think that she is so incredibly awesome, guys. So if you haven't seen Jean's channel, please make sure that you check her out right after you're done watching this video. She has all kinds of fun stuff going on. She does like prayer things. She does unboxings. Sometimes she does lives. She is just so awesome. And I look forward to the day when I finally get to meet her in person. But until then, I'm going to open up this lovely package that I got from her. So here we go. Woo! Here's the box. This was such a surprise, guys. I'm so excited. Hopefully she doesn't. She's famous for scaring the crap out of me. She likes to put those flying butterflies in her stuff. Yeah, hopefully nothing flies out of this box. So we have a card. So let's start with the card here. Return to sender for additional 58-cent postage. Well, it was inside the box, so that doesn't apply. But anyways, let's go ahead. She has some super cute flamingos on the back of the card. How cute, guys. I love it, love it, love it. That is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and open this back up and see what Jean's got in store for me. Oh, stop it. How cute is that? Oh, it's confetti fell out. Guys, it is a flamingo. Yes, it's a flamingo. I don't know why I'm so out of it today, guys. I got a little bit more sleep than normal. I think I got like 2 hours instead of 1, so I should be really well rested. Anyways, it's a flamingo wearing a wreath and a Santa hat. How cute is that with the striped stockings? Oh my gosh. Stop it. That is too cute. I absolutely love it, and it is so very Jean. That is awesome. And it says Pascal Productions on the back. Check that out, guys. That is so fun. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, so this is so cute. I just love it. Oh, stop, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is just the sweetest thing ever. Oh, it's like it's a little hat ornament. Stop it. And it's purple. Oh my gosh, you guys have to see this. Okay, hold on. Let me hold it up. Look, and it's this happy heart. Oh my gosh, is that not the sweetest thing ever? I love it. Oh my gosh, that is just darling. And I bet she made this tiny little thing. She is a masterful crochet knitter. I love it. Guys, this is so sweet. Oh my gosh, I just love it. I just want to wear it like this. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is for sure going on my purple tree. And then I have this really fun Santa Claus. How original is he? He looks very old school. That's what I'm trying to spit out there. Love it, love it, love it. I'll use that in something, and then I have this super cute stocking as well. That's adorable, and I will use that in something too. So that is super fun. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes of the card. It says, hey peep, wishing you the merriest and most amazing Christmas ever, and even better New Year, just me, Jean. Jean, this is so awesome. Oh, guys, I just love this little hat. I can't stress enough how much I love the little hat and how much I love the fact that she made the little hat. That is so cute. I can't. All right, but there's more stuff in here, guys. Guys, I just caught a glimpse of something that I'm super excited about, but let's go ahead and pop open the rest of it. Oh my gosh. So this is super fun. So this is a bath bomb that has a Hot Wheel car on the inside. So my girl Crystal over at Real Lady Electrician got me one of these for my son and some friend mail that she sent just a little while ago. Oh my gosh, he loved it, guys. It was so exciting when the little fizzies got done and there was a car. He loves cars. He loves bath bombs. This is a perfect combination. Jean, you are awesome. He is just going to love you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. So then we have a talking bag clip. Oh, it talks. How does it talk? Stop it. How fun is that, guys? I can't. So every single time that I go to open up my chip bag, it's going to let me know that I'm a big fat cow every time I go to eat. This is cute, Jean. I love it. Stop it. Just stop. Where does she find this stuff? I can't. And then I have a couple of masks in here. So I have a Rejuvenating Gold Peel Off Mask. Okay, I do like this one a lot. This is a really good mask. My face feels amazing after I use this one. She had sent me one of these before and I really liked it. So it worked really well. Thank you again for that one. And then I have some collagen under eye mask. Yay! Guys, I use this stuff all the time. I don't know that it's helping any, that I use it all the time. So I guess it's not hurting, even if it's not helping. Ooh, everything's about to topple over. We don't want that to happen. Okay, and then I have some super cute Panda Bear stickers. How cute are these? Oh my gosh, stop it. Let me think of some ideas for these. That sounds super fun in my head. In my head. You guys can't get in there. Trust me, you don't want in there. That is awesome. Okay, guys. I'm really excited about this next thing. Oh my gosh, Jean makes some of the most amazing purses out of bags. Guys, you know how I love working with bags and I think it is so super fun. And to have somebody else, a fellow crafter who also works with bags is amazing. So I have this amazing purse. I'm so excited. Okay, let me see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Stop it. Oh, it is so perfect. Look, you guys. I love it. Guys, she made this out of plastic store bags. How fabulous is this? You guys, all the work that goes into this, trust me, I have knitted. I've attempted to knit some bags and stuff. This is not an easy thing to do. And she does an amazing job. How classy and awesome is this? Guys, I promise you I will use this 100%. I have the recycled earrings that I got from Sazo Designs on Etsy, and I can put this with it. And I also made my own trash bag skirt. I will just be a walking recycled queen. Thank you, Jean. This means so much to me, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love this. Now, she did show how she makes these on her channel, so make sure you guys check out her channel right after you're done watching this video. She is amazing. I love her. You guys will too. Trust me, it's 100% worth it. All right, guys, that wraps up all of my awesome Christmas friend mail. Thank you so much, Linda, Jean, and Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for sending me all of these lovely things and thinking about me during this holiday season. Unfortunately, I did not get my act together in time to send out friend mail for Christmas, but I do plan to send some friend mail out for Valentine's Day, so that should be super fun. Fingers crossed I have my act together by then and I can get that friend mail out. But all these lovely ladies will be on my list, so that would be awesome. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! A few days later, I went back to my P.O. box like I normally do once a week, and I had some more friend mail for Christmas, and I also, no, it might not be, hold on. Anyways, that got way off track. Let's go ahead and pop open this box from Jean. Okay. All right, guys, let's go ahead and move on. So I am going, okay,